I'll get the Juliet here in a minute. Well, uh, just thought I'd go ahead and take another video. Socks really enjoys laying underneath the car. It kind of scares me. Years ago, I had an accident with one of our cats underneath the car. Did not turn out too good. But anyhow, there's another video of Miss Socks. See what she's doing there. She's kind of hefty too. I have cut down on their cat food a little bit here recently, so see if that makes a difference. But they're all an interesting bunch, and I promise I'll get to Jules, the last cat I got for the time being. And I'm gonna try to get our neighbor's got a dog. I'm gonna try to get a video of him one day. But it's just a nice, peaceful neighborhood. Houses across the street. Just quiet. So, and just all the cats are just hanging out, enjoying it. Well, two of them are. But, okay. I'll talk to you later.